Good morning, everyone. Hope I am audible and visible to everyone. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So, as we all know, we are here for the webinar Coping with COVID Stress. So, the main objective of this webinar is to understand the causes of COVID stress and their symptoms and to learn the strategies to cope up with stress, to create awareness about the precautions. So we live in this time, we live turbulence time is compact by the COVID-19 pandemic. The issue of mental health is not only relevant, but actually it is very crucial. Mental health is more than a presence or absence of a mental illness. It is a crossword between emotional, psychological, and physical well-being. This year, many people have faced serious challenges to their mental health along with the health impacts of the disease. COVID 19 has led to self isolation, anxiety, quarantine. People are separating from their loved ones, feelings of helplessness, grief, anxiety, and depression. And to address these challenges, Shining Tomorrow Foundation is running a helpline, Hard Time Friend. So the main objective of this is to create a platform to connect people to the counselor, doctors, and expert who can actually act as your real-time friend to overcome with your fears and mental health related issue. So on the behalf of Shining Tomorrow Foundation, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all here today and convey my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Khushbu, who is a leading psychiatrist in Delhi, practicing in MGS Hospital and has years of experience in dealing with such issues, and to share more insight on this issue. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the webinar.
Hello, Gunjan, and I am really thankful for Shining Tomorrow Foundation to give me this opportunity to present my views on this current scenario. And I really thank you all for joining us today to understand the. See, this is also a pandemic in making. The mental health issues is also a pandemic along with the pandemic of coronavirus. So we need to deal with it on the war footing only. So I would like to thank all the organizers for such a wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. Thank you so much. So, ma'am, let's move ahead with the webinar. Ma'am, how is this mental health getting affected during COVID? क्योंकि हमें सबको पता है we people are getting isolations. People are who are positive, they are in self isolation. They have been quarantined. So there is a lot of stress, mental stress. People are facing anxiety. Ma'am, and one more, ma'am, as a family and a friend, if we know that somebody is going through it, so how can we help them? Ma'am? Can you please share some?
First of all, I would like to share. See, this situation, this we have never seen. See, in our lifetimes, and maybe in our grandfathers or great grandfathers' lifetime also. Like last pandemic was Spanish flu, which was in 1990, 1900 something. So, since last 2 or 3 generations, we have not seen such a situation. हमने कभी देखा ही नहीं कि इस तरह से सब लोग घर में बंद हों, हमारी लाइफस्टाइल बिल्कुल चेंज हो गई है, बच्चे घर में हैं, सब कुछ घर में है, एंड फियर, बहुत ज्यादा फियर. सो ये जो सारी सिचुएशन है, ये एक तरीके का हमको पहले समझना पड़ेगा कि आखिर ये हो क्या रहा है. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज कि कोविड-19 के, ठीक है, दिस इज अ वेरी न्यू वायरस, ये आया एंड हमारी सबकी लाइफ चेंज हो गई. एंड व्हाट अभी हम लोग सब फेस कर रहे हैं इज सम और द अदर काइंड ऑफ ग्रीफ. ठीक है, ग्रीफ का मतलब सिर्फ वो नहीं होता कि जब हम अपने किसी लव्ड वन को लूज करते हैं, या हम सिर्फ डेथ से ही ग्रीफ नहीं होता. सो ग्रीफ इज अ फीलिंग और इज अ प्रोसेस जो कि बहुत सारे किसी भी लॉस से हमको हो सकता है. दैट फीलिंग कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ एनी लॉस. So what COVID-19 has created a series of losses. So what are all those losses? One is economic insecurity. ये हम सबको मालूम है कि काम बंद होने से सब लोगों का मतलब फ्रॉम दी I know people who are really very, very well to do also are really doing very bad right now. So that economic insecurity is a loss which we have faced. Then health, वो तो हमको सबको पता ही है कि हेल्थ तो सबसे बड़ा लॉस है जो हमने फेस किया है हमारे नियर एंड डियर वंस का, हमारे लव्ड वंस का, या हमारी खुद की हेल्थ का. देन फूड सिक्योरिटी, देयर इज दिस पैनिक कि अगर हम सभी बीमार हैं, यदि सभी काम बंद है तो खाना कहाँ से आएगा. फूड इनसिक्योरिटी इज देयर. फ्रेंड्स की इनसिक्योरिटीज देयर, क्योंकि कहाँ तो हम लोग सब मिलने जाते थे, वीकेंड्स पे पार्टी करते थे, पार्टी भी नहीं तो घर में मिलने ही जाते थे, फ्रेंड्स से मिलने जाते थे. तो दैट लॉस इज देयर. देन सेरेमनीज का लॉस है. So we all had so many weddings planned, we had so many functions planned. हमारे Indian scenario में we have so many rituals all around the year which go on, जिसमें हमारा एक community participation होता है. Everything that we lost actually in COVID-19. Then safety का loss. देयर इज अ मतलब सर्वे और ये डेटा है, दिस इज अ प्रूवन डेटा दैट ड्यूरिंग द कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक लॉकडाउन डोमेस्टिक अब्यूज एंड चाइल्ड अब्यूज एंड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज जो है वो इट शॉट अप. जो हेल्पलाइंस हैं उनके ऊपर ऑलमोस्ट 30 to 40% ज्यादा कॉल्स आ रही थी. देन पर्सनल फ्रीडम, हम लोगों को कभी ये चीज रियलाइज नहीं हुई कि हमको एक कमरे में यदि बंद कर दिया जाए तो हमें कैसा लगेगा. वी नेवर हैड दैट थॉट इन आवर माइंड, एंड नाउ दैट वी आर बीइंग secluded, we are being closed in our own houses, that there is loss of personal freedom, we cannot do much, right? Then there is loss of future dreams. बहुत बच्चे ऐसे थे जिन्होंने अपने करियर प्लान था, किसी का कोई बिजनेस प्लान था, किसी ने कोई मतलब हमारे फ्यूचर के ड्रीम्स थे जो सारे के सारे लूज हुए इस पैंडेमिक एंड इन दिस लॉकडाउन एंड एवरीथिंग. देन सर्टेनली देयर इज डेथ. वी हैव लॉस्ट सो मेनी लव्ड वंस. मैं अभी अगर अपने आसपास ही देखूं, इन माय नियर एंड डियर सर्कल ओनली, वी हैव लॉस्ट. इस सेकंड वेव में हमने बहुत लूज किया है, बहुत सारे लव्ड वंस को लूज किया. लाइक दे आर जस्ट गोइंग लाइक एयर. देन एकेडमिक स्टेबिलिटी, हम सबको मालूम है, फ्रॉम द प्री नर्सरी किड टू अ कॉलेज गोइंग एंड टू अ PhD स्टूडेंट, एवरीबडी इज ऑन अ लॉस ऑन दिस एकेडमिक स्टेबिलिटी. नहीं है, हमको पता ही नहीं है कि हमारा फ्यूचर क्या होगा. सो ऑल दीज लॉसेस एक्चुअली अमाउंट टू सम काइंड ऑफ ग्रीफ, सम काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग. जो हमारे अंदर जो फीलिंग है उसको हमको पहले पहचानना पड़ेगा, दैट इज ग्रीफ. क्योंकि ये सारे लॉसेस से हमको वो ग्रीफ आ रहा है. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज हाउ टू डील विद दैट ग्रीफ. ठीक है, पहले तो एक्नॉलेज करना पड़ेगा कि ओके दिस इज द लॉस, दिस इज व्हाई आई एम फीलिंग दिस, एंड इट इज ओके टू फील लाइक दैट. ठीक है, एनीबडी कैन फील लाइक दैट. एंड उसके भी अपने स्टेजेस हैं उस चीज को प्रोसेस करने के, एंड देन व्हेन वी प्रोसेस इट वी कैन कम आउट ऑफ इट.
Yes, ma'am. It's true because आजकल सभी लोग कुछ ना कुछ they are going through some feelings, and
Yes.
Obviously they are. It's not a good feeling which we all are experiencing, and staying at home, and because we are under so much of stress, what to do next, future planning, all the planning has been come to an halt. What all we have
Yes.
planned
So
in
ये
the last and the
सारे
second wave.
किसी ना किसी तरीके से एक कोई ना कोई लॉस है बेसिकली.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, moving ahead, we have received a few real-time cases, like they have called us, and then we have. So we'll be discussing one by one. So,
Yes.
shall I go ahead with the?
Yes, yes, absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So, ma'am, this is the first case which we have received. He's a 50-year-old male, and he works in an MNC, and he has got recently COVID positive, and he has been self-quarantined from the 10th day. He's there in isolation, and he has a lot of worries about उनको अपनी health की worry है, then future की worry है, family health की, future की worry है, family की, in every term. So he need a help that how he can cope up with that stress.
Okay, so first of all, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, he needs to understand कि okay, this is happening, right? First step is always acceptance कि ठीक है, I am COVID positive, I am self isolating, I am doing this good. Why? Because so that मेरे family members को नहीं, ठीक है. And yes, there is loss of personal freedom कि हमको एक रूम में बंद कर दिया गया है, but then there are a lot of worries. But then first is acceptance, then second is that he should follow his routine, he should maintain his routine to cope up with this scenario, to cope up with all this. What happens is कि जब हम घर में रहते हैं तो हमारा कोई routine नहीं होता, we don't get up on time, we don't sleep on time, we don't eat on time. But then, especially in isolation, we should try to maintain our routine. आपने टाइम से उठना है, टाइम से खाना है. आई नो समटाइम्स आपकी हेल्थ आपको अलाउ नहीं करती, बट देन हमारी अगर हेल्थ ठीक नहीं है एंड वी आर having fever or some kind of symptoms, so yes, taking medicines on time and being positive that yes, this too shall pass, because हमारी इम्यूनिटी, हमारी बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी या बॉडी की जो सारी चीजें हैं, इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन आवर माइंडसेट. अगर हम उस चीज को लेके बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल रहेंगे या वी कीप ऑन थिंकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग, so then our immunity will go down and then the illness will overpower us.
Yes.
Okay, so what I suggest him is to try to follow routine. Maybe he's not that physically healthy to follow कि भी आपने exercise and all this and all everything करना है, but then a healthy routine of eating proper vegetables and fruits, चाहे आपका मन करे चाहे नहीं करे, but then diet is very very important, both physically as well as mentally, right? Taking plenty of fluids, then maintaining a journal of feelings. आप लिखो जो भी आपके मन में थॉट आता है, बिकॉज हम ऐसे ही बैठे होते हैं, हमारे दिमाग में इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है कि वी डोंट एक्चुअली प्रोसेस इट ऑल. दिमाग में बस चलता ही रहता है, but then putting down on paper,
Yes.
it really makes a all lot of difference. हमारा brain can sort things out. Okay, this is needs to be done. And then isolation should be taken as an opportunity to do something new, as in you can read some book जो आप बहुत टाइम से पढ़ना चाहते थे, right? And like doing some breathing exercises, not deep breathing exercises, just meditation. Like it's a simple technique just to sit down and close your eyes and then just focus on your breathing. Your breathing goes in and out, jo feeling of air in your nose, just trying to concentrate on your breathing. This is the best exercise, best meditation, and simplest technique to be done. Okay, so thoughts about, see, first of all we need to understand कि thoughts बहुत आएंगे हमको, right? Thoughts are natural to come, as you said in this particular case, that he's having thoughts about future, thoughts about his health, he's fearful about his health. Thoughts cannot be stopped, but we need to understand how to react to those thoughts. लाइक अगर मुझे ऐसा थॉट आ रहा है कि भाई मेरा क्या होगा, मेरी हेल्थ का क्या होगा, देन you need to do not react, you need to just divert your attention towards something productive. maintain एक तो थॉट जर्नल मैंने बताया, सेकेंड इज ये चीजें तो हम अगर बीमार हैं तो भी हम थोड़ा बहुत कर सकते हैं. देन सेकेंड इज टू मेंटेन अ ग्रैटिट्यूड जर्नल. आप मॉर्निंग में, ये सबके लिए ही है, एवरी वन ऑफ अस इन दिस करंट सिचुएशन, आई थिंक वी शुड फॉलो दिस. कि मॉर्निंग में जब हम उठते हैं, नाइट में जब हम सोते हैं, देन जस्ट राइट, एक छोटी सी डायरी बनाइए and write 2 or 3 things which we are thankful of to God. Maybe we are thankful for this day, maybe I'm thankful for the food I'm eating. It will actually change your mindset, right, towards the positive side from the negative side. And
Yes,
yes, following all your doctor's prescriptions, all your doctor's advices is necessary during isolation.
yes. So, ma'am, moving ahead to the second one. So, she's a mother of a 5 year and she has a small kid at home. And सब अभी सबको पता है कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक सब लोग घर से ही काम कर रहे हैं एंड
Yeah.
सिंस शी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस बिकॉज उनका जो हस्बैंड है वो डॉक्टर है शी हैज लॉट ऑफ वर्क स्ट्रेस शी हैज लॉट ऑफ बिकॉज किड्स का स्ट्रेस है किड्स की भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैं एंड ऑल so how she can be more productive and she is because all this stress is taking toll on her health actually she want to be more productive at my work at her work actually so how
Yes.
she can cope up with
So
that.
first of all, I would like to really thank her to be supportive of her husband because he's a frontline worker and it's not easy to be a frontline worker in this scenario. It's
Yes,
very,
ma'am.
very scary. And to be a family member of a frontline worker is more scary. So I really appreciate her first of all. And then secondly, I would like her to un- prioritize her work. Like, you know, what happens is most of the women try to be superwomen. So they try to do everything perfect. So she needs to understand that it's okay. If some days the room is not made, it's okay. If clothes are not done today, it's okay. With then taking some time out, morning में जब उसके उनके बच्चे सो रहे हों या इवनिंग में नाइट में जब उनके बच्चे सो गए हों आफ्टर दैट जस्ट टेक 1 hour or maybe half an hour for her own self, maybe sitting with a cup of coffee or tea whatever she likes and just sitting her अपने अपने साथ बैठे अपने थॉट्स को थोड़ा सा sort out करे just sit down with as I said journal with pen paper so that our thoughts are on हमारे अपने thoughts sort out हो जाए so and eating healthy ठीक है
Okay.
on the go I know to being a mother for two children and that too so young is very
Hmm.
demanding. So then I would suggest her to like keep fruits on the table. Just aate jate keep on eating fruits and vegetables, taking plenty of fluids, which will keep her energized. पूरी तरह से. I think that answers the question. Or
Oh. Ma'am, I have a question.
Hello, ma'am. No,
I have a
no,
question.
sorry to interrupt you, sir. You cannot ask. You just have to type it in a chat box, and all the
Yeah.
queries will be addressed in chat.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Gunjan, I think that answers the question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I can't see you. Is your camera is working? Is it? Yeah.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, moving ahead to the next scenario, which case which we have got. So,
Yes.
she's basically a nurse and she's working in a COVID hospital. And she is under a lot of stress because of the long shift and that continuous scene which she is witnessing, the deaths and the health. And so it is becoming very unbearable for her. And sometimes she has a very suicidal thoughts as well. उनको बहुत अजीब से thoughts आते हैं because of the things which is going around her. So, and since she is in isolation, because
Mhm.
उनको ये है कि because she is a frontline worker, तो उनको ये है कि family should not get infected or anything with that. But she is under a lot of stress. So, ma'am, how she can cope up with that stress?
This is a very, very important case. Again, I would like to really thank her for because nurses and paramedical staff has been really, really immensely important in this pandemic. So I am really thankful of her to be there for the patients. And yes, seeing all those deaths, I acknowledge her feelings that she's facing a lot of troubles. first of all, she needs to understand that this is a pandemic situation. This is a situation which was never seen before, and she needs to accept the reality. Yes, there is not, we cannot, there is this sort of helplessness amongst the healthcare workers, which I have seen. Like I have talked to many of them. So what happens is कि उनको ये एक हेल्पलेसनेस रहती है कि हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं बट हम कर नहीं पा रहे हैं, हमारी आंखों के सामने पेशेंट्स मर रहे हैं. एंड देन वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम वी आर आल्सो ह्यूमंस. हम एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट का ही कर सकते हैं. हम सब चीजों को ठीक नहीं कर सकते. There is a limitation to what we can and what we cannot do. And she needs to like take care of her diet, take care of her hydration. All those PPE kits really makes you sweat badly. And yes, if she does not feel good and she keeps on having these suicidal thoughts, she should consult a professional, because these things can be managed on one-to-one basis, on one-to-one case. अगर ये suicidal thoughts तक आ गई है बात, तो then she needs to really consult a professional.
Sure.
Maybe a counselor or maybe a psychiatrist. Maybe we need to start some medication or something. Because suicidal thoughts means that she's really, really, really stressed out.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, moving ahead.
Yes.
So, this we read. He's a 45-year-old male, and firstly, he has some factory of some clothes and everything. And because of some accident, उनका वो loss हो गया. So he has set up a small shop in 2019 of clothes and everything. But first wave was okay because of the lockdown. बहुत business affect हुआ है बहुत लोगों का. So his business was
Yes.
also affected, and he has a family of 4 and 5 to feed on. And now
Yes.
he is unable because now the second lockdown and the second wave is more stronger. People are always like stressed out. So he is unable to cope up with the stress. And even he has this thought of committing suicide because he see no future of his children in further. So he needs help on this.
Right. So it's very unfortunate of having one tragedy after the other. But then, see, whenever there is this pandemic or whenever there is this situation of crisis occurs, so two things happen. या तो हम उसके बिल्कुल ही बी गिवन, ओके दिस इज हैपनिंग, अब मेरा बिजनेस चौपट हो गया है, मैं बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया हूँ, ठीक है. Second thing can be some kind of क्या नाम है, new idea. Like we can think about new entrepreneurship. So I have also witnessed so many patients actually are doing really good. Like this is known as pivoting. Like आप किसी भी crisis के अंदर you are just trying to make things and make ends meet by not focusing on जो आपका already straight line, एक होती straight line, आपने ठीक है आपका ये business है वो नहीं काम कर रहा है and you're just sitting. No, but then you can just do it. So many people have come online. So he can try the online version of his things. He can make videos. Like so many things, so many uses of technology. So just thinking in a way कि इस crisis को हम opportunity, right, and how to make ends meet. Maybe maybe going on some online thing, or making some attractive videos, maybe home delivery, maybe जैसे food की home delivery है आजकल, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. मतलब this is what I can think of right now. But then he needs to accept the reality first of all, ठीक है, that this is what has happened now, and how to go ahead in future, right, is to do something new now. क्योंकि this is going to be there, right? पहले के जैसे मार्केट्स एंड पहले के जैसे सब कुछ अभी रिसेंटली तो नहीं होगा. It's very difficult because when we started becoming normal, this again happened. So we don't know how future. It is very unpredictable. So that unpredictability जो होती है वो हमारे अंदर एंजाइटी कॉज करती है. तो उस चीज को अंडरस्टैंड करना कि भी ये अनप्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी है, बट दिस इज ऑल्सो एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. ये क्राइसिस है, बट yes, we can think about maybe his life is taking him towards something new. So to think about in that manner. And yes, अगर आपका काम नहीं है इस टाइम पे, then don't just sit idle on home completely. Again, I will stress that point, that maintain a routine. Wake up at the same time, take bath, have breakfast, get ready, properly dress up like you might have gone to the office, and then do some work. जब आप उस पूरे उस फीलिंग में बैठते हो, तो then ideas come. आप अगर बिना नहाए बेड पे बैठे रहोगे सारा दिन, आपको आइडियाज नहीं आएंगे. You need to be in that position. You need to be in that form. Like एक dedicated workspace बनाइए घर पे. It's not only for him, it's for everybody, I would like to say. If you're not going out, so just make a dedicated workspace. आप एक छोटी सी टेबल आपका एक वर्क स्पेस बना सकते हो. इट शुड नॉट बी, आपको बहुत बड़ा रूम नहीं चाहिए उसके लिए. एक टेबल, एक चेयर इज एनफ. एक डेडिकेटेड स्पेस हो गया. गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, हैव ब्रेकफास्ट, पुट ऑन योर वर्क क्लोथ्स एंड देन सिट ऑन दैट टेबल. You will have ideas. You will have new things coming out to how to come up, how to cope up financially in this. Okay, and still if he is not able to cope up with his emotions, again he should, I think, talk to a professional.
Profession. Yes, sir. So thank you so much, ma'am. Now moving ahead, we have received one. She is a policewoman, ma'am. She is
Okay.
working in a COVID duty in a contaminated zone, actually. And as usual, she is worried for her health, and she has a 16-year-old daughter and 20-year-old son. और उनके जो husband थे, he passed like few years back because of some reason. And she is also witnessing all these deaths around, so she also has a fear for children. And plus she has lot of irritation because लोग मास्क नहीं पहन रहे हैं. लोगों को पता है that it spread because of this. So she has a lot of why people are doing all this. So all these thoughts keep running in her mind, and there is a lot of traffic jam. People are out on roads because of no work. जिनको काम नहीं होता है वो भी घूम रहे हैं बिना किसी काम के. We get lot of anger because of that. And she is and she has to do her job also because she is a policewoman. So how to cope up with that stress now? She needs help on that.
Yes, police personnel are doing really wonderful job. When I go to the hospital, I see around on the road, they have various checkpoints and they are really doing wonderful job. I see oxygen tanks are being escorted by police personnel. It's really wonderful. First of all, she has adult kids and who can really take care of their own health. Okay, and she should first of all, she should take care of her diet. Okay, keep hydrated. You know what happens is कई बार हम बहुत chronically dehydrated रहते हैं तो भी हमारे अंदर इस तरह से irritation रहती है. And being out in sun whole through day, it's for sure we are dehydrated. She should actually keep taking ORS or keep taking all those electrolytes and keep herself hydrated. Nariyal pani and all that. इस तरीके से लेना चाहिए ताकि she remains hydrated. She remains physically little stronger. Then she should actually like जब उनको बहुत irritation होती है on people when they don't wear masks. So she should really not lose her temper, but try to, I know teaching people, everybody is on their own, right? सबको सब अपने ही मन से चलते हैं, right? So, but then she should not get angry, irritable. She should maintain her distance. Apne distance se she should tell them what is right and what is wrong. If they don't want to make it, don't want to follow the rules, then obviously उनके पास वो they actually they can fine them. So she should follow her duty,
They have the
right?
authority. She
Yes, they
can
have
find.
that authority.
Okay.
Not trying to explain it, but yes, sometimes implementation needs strictness
Yes.
of law. So quoting on that, my brother lives in Canada, so he told कि अगर आप home quarantine हो and if you're found out कि भी आप बाहर road पे हो, so you will have $1 million of fine, and it's
Okay.
very strict. So she has that authority to put the rules rather than explaining each and every person who really don't want to listen to her. Just put her authority and just implement the law, right? And she should really keep hydrated. Hydration is first and foremost thing. And yes, thoughts आएंगे, thoughts को fight मत करो, thoughts will come, thoughts of death, thoughts of fear. Yes, everybody is fearful of their family, fearful for their health, for their future, for their children. But then we should really think कि इससे हमको बाहर कैसे निकलना है, cope up कैसे करना है. We have to be solution oriented rather than question oriented or problem oriented. We all know that this problem is there. So at the end, I will stepwise, I will let you know every way to cope with this stress.
Okay.
Okay, so once we are done with all these cases, so
Yes, ma'am.
specifics, then I'll tell you generally how to cope up, like what are the steps to cope up
Yes,
with
ma'am.
this anxiety.
Sure, ma'am. So, ma'am, moving ahead, she's a very young girl. She's 21 years old. US में रहती है. And because of this lockdown, she was not able to come to India, and she has lost her father due to COVID. And nobody has helped her because her mother has only done because it was a lockdown, and since people don't come up if somebody is positive or something.
Yes.
So she is under a lot of stress, and family is in India and she is in US studying. And so how she can cope up with? She don't know actually. बहुत confused है वो. And she
Uh,
has a guilt कि she's not able to save, and last moment पे वो अपने father से मिल भी नहीं पाई है. So she's under a lot of stress, and she like guilt वाला stress. She has so much of guilt. So how she can cope up with that?
Yes, this is a very important thing because हमारे funerals had all those kind of rituals जो actually हमारे grief processing में help करते थे to when we lose a so close one. So just crying only, and वो जब सब लोग आते थे घर पे and all that cremation rituals and everything really meant something. And with all that not in place right now because of COVID norms, so what we can do is we can connect to our family online. Like she's sitting in US, I think she cannot come down to India right now, but then she can keep herself connected. अकेले नहीं रहना है. She should keep herself connected with her family in India, maybe through Zoom, maybe through Google Meet, maybe online, and by talk, maybe even via WhatsApp call. So she should really stay connected. And I know that feeling is really bad when you're not actually able to see your father last minute. So, so what she can do is like this is this exercise we do, empty chair technique. This is known as, like, she might be able to. It is usually done in front in the presence of a professional, but then she can attempt it at home also, like just sitting on a chair and जहाँ पे जिस तरह से उनके father बैठते थे, she's in US, so maybe she can imagine that her father is sitting in front of her, and maybe she can just try telling him everything, what she wants to say. सारी pent up feelings जो हैं, whatever she wants to say, whatever she feels, maybe crying a lot, maybe just sitting and imagining her father in front of her and talking to him. So that might really lessen her that guilt. And I know this guilt will be there, but I would really suggest her कि please don't feel guilty. It's ये situation ही ऐसी है. Everybody is going through it. So we cannot do anything about it. But what we can do is how this is a grief. So how we can process it, right? To mourn, like to accept that yes, this has happened now, and then to experience that pain. ठीक है, अपने पेन को ब्लॉक नहीं करो, अपनी क्राइम को ब्लॉक नहीं करो. डोंट ब्लॉक योरसेल्फ. रोने रोने का मन कर रहा है, रो, प्लीज cry your heart out, and then try to adjust to this loss कि ठीक है, अब ये loss हो गया, अब ये जिंदगी ऐसी है, अब this world is going to be without him, so now how I have to cope without him and maintain a connection. देखो, this portion that happened when her father died, और ये सारा जो ये episode हुआ and this COVID and everything, this is really traumatic. But then she should really try to remember her positive connections with her father, like previously when she was young, when she was with her father, the conversations, that feeling of him around. Try to maintain the also name. Yes, my daughter always connect to me on a positive note rather than on a negative note. So I would really like these 2-3 things that she can try. Like this empty chair, she really it really will help her.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, basically, venting out of feelings are very important. You have to
Yes.
vent out, right? You cannot
Absolutely.
hold.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Whatever आपको feeling हो रहा है, आपको बोलना है. You have to let them.
Absolutely. Blocking your feelings or blocking everything is never a solution. This is a grief. We need to process it. We need to process all this loss which is coming around on us.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Moving ahead. तो ये she is a housemaker, ma'am, and she has lost her husband because of a COVID and recently, and उनके वो खुद भी positive है, COVID positive है, and she is under isolation. और उनकी जो mom-in-law है वो बात नहीं करी है because she has lost her son, and son was the only earning member of the family. It is very disheartening to know that now she doesn't know now how to take care of her family, how to feed her family more. So she need how to cope up with all this stress, and she has a children also, parents also along with her.
Yes, this is indeed a very, very difficult situation. Like sole earning member gone because of COVID is really bad, and it has happened too frequently in the second wave. It has happened with many people. So what she can do is initially right now to cope up with this, she can really enroll or she can really recruit her own family members, extended family for help, right? For help for help emotionally, maybe physically, मतलब वो आके नहीं कर सकते, but then they can always help her, they can always be with her on call, on Zoom, on whatever. Her mother-in-law who has not spoken, maybe she can connect her to other children, like उनके जो और बच्चे हैं उनसे उनको connect करवा सकती हैं वो via call, via video call, and so that she also process that grief. ठीक है, losing a son like this is a big huge blow. So she can connect to her, like उनके mother-in-law के भी brother sisters होंगे या और बच्चे होंगे या और family members होंगे. Try to connect with all of them, and maybe just sometimes unspoken words are more powerful. So maybe just sitting with her for some time every day, so that she feels कि yes, someone is there. अभी मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. Someone is there, like just sitting family members. I think जो बाकी family members and they should just sit down, have a meal together at least.
But
So
right now,
that,
I think, ma'am, वो खुद भी positive है and she is under isolation. So I think,
okay, yes,
yeah.
okay.
So,
That meal will not be possible, but
yes,
then she can always do the video calls and Zoom calls, and
yes,
when
ma'am.
once she's out of this isolation period,
Yes, ma'am. Then she can
then
follow
she
up.
can then she can just sit down with all family members,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
they can have a meal together. Maybe they don't speak,
Yes,
but then just sharing a meal together is also a very positive thing. And yes, she's a homemaker, and she has to find ways to earn a living also, because initially family members can help, but in on long run, so she should have she also should think out of the box, and she should actually use this isolation period to process the grief and to avoid comparison also. See, what one happens is that we start comparing ourselves also. That is also one source of very big sorrow. So she should refrain from comparison कि भी मैं किसी से अपने strength और अपने weaknesses देखो, अपने ही फैमिली के स्ट्रेंथ्स को देखो कि हमारी फैमिली यहाँ स्ट्रॉन्ग है, एंड हम उस तरीके से उनको उस चीज को फॉलो कर सकते हैं, या वी कैन गो अहेड विद आवर फ्यूचर.
Thank you, ma'am. So let's moving ahead. This is really heartbreaking one actually, and I'm feeling too bad while reading this. So he's just a 16-year-old boy, ma'am, and he has lost his father and mother in COVID. And he has taken वो अपने अंकल के साथ उनके घर में रह रहे हैं, but he think that his life is stopped. अब उनकी लाइफ में कुछ बचा नहीं है, and he's too young. He's just 16-year-old. And he doesn't like to do anything, eating, studying. He doesn't want, कुछ करना ही नहीं है, उनका मन ही नहीं है ये सब करने में. So, and he actually doesn't want to live his life anymore without his parents. So now how we can help him, and how he can want to cope up with the stress.
It's really very heartbreaking to lose a parent at this young age. And as I'm really sorry for his loss. And as I've said earlier, see, we need to process it. He needs to talk to his maybe his uncle, maybe जिनसे भी close हैं. And yes, these feelings, maybe he try to. I know anything I say would not suffice. So I think he should try to maintain the routine of his, try to do some of his classes, maybe try to connect to his friends, and I think if this does not resolve his problem, I grief and with this all shock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so counselors are really helpful in helping the people process it. So they should not shy away from meeting one of them.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, actually, we have received so many queries, but we have selected the few ones in the manner. But because we have a time constraint, like we have to finish this, so we have. So, ma'am, now moving ahead, I would request you to please provide some general strategies for people to help themselves, and if they want to help somebody else also in their vicinity or in and around. So, how they can take care of their relatives and friends.
Okay, so coming down to देयर आर टू थिंग्स. एक तो जो जनरली हम सब लोग इस टाइम पे फील कर रहे हैं, जनरल हमारे को अपने आप को कैसे हमारी अपनी रेजिलियंस, हमारी अपनी पावर बढ़ानी है और कैसे हमको प्रोटेक्ट करना है अपने आप को कोरोना वायरस से और एंजाइटी से. सो फर्स्ट कमिंग ऑन टू दैट, कोरोना वायरस से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए तो वी ऑल नो social physical distancing, masking, sanitizing and everything. एंजाइटी से अपने आप को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मीडिया डिस्टेंसिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, क्योंकि मीडिया ऑलवेज सेंसेशनलाइज एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, सो ट्राई टू, यस, आई ट्राई टू बी कीप योरसेल्फ अपडेटेड बट विद सम reliable sources of government rather than सब देखो न्यूज देखो. सेकेंड इज डू नॉट एंगेज विद वरी. बैठ के सिर्फ सोचना नहीं है, ट्राई टू टेक सम और द अदर एक्शन. मे बी डू सम स्ट्रेचिंग, मे बी डू सम योगा, मे बी go for some like cook food, maybe cook something or the other. Focus on the present odds. Like everything is not bad. We have a vaccine now. You can go and get vaccine. And second is, अगर हम केस फर्टेलिटी रेट भी देखें तो it's 1% of the people who are getting infected are dying or getting more serious. So अगर हम ओवरऑल भी देखें तो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हमें कोविड हो गया तो हमने जाना ही है, ऐसा नहीं है. 99% chances are कि we will be recovered.
Yes,
ठीक है, then do not react to physical symptoms. Now this is happening too much with my patients and मतलब I'm getting so frequent calls with this. हल्की सी खांसी होती है, they get panicked. हल्का सा बॉडी एक होता है and we get panicked कि हमें तो कोरोना हो गया, कोरोना हो गया. I have seen people getting tested almost every second, third day. So do not let that panic set in you. ठीक है, पैनिक नहीं होना है. फिजिकल सिम्टम्स नॉर्मली भी होते हैं. हम कभी एसी में सो गए तो हमारा गला थोड़ा सा बंद हो जाता है मॉर्निंग में, या हमने ठंडा पानी पी लिया तो हमको थोड़ी खांसी भी आ सकती है. So do not react to each and every physical symptom. Yes, keep a watch, but then do not react. सारा दिन पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर नहीं लगाना है. ठीक है, वो एंजाइटी जनरेट करता है. You're fine. ठीक है, keep a watch. We all know COVID symptoms now. अगर कुछ है तो then take action. Okay, then second, fifth, next is focus on being productive and new ways of enjoying life. So now we have to accept this कि हमारी life has changed and we need to really think in terms of that. नई नई चीजें ढूंढो अपने life को enjoy करने के लिए. Maybe घर पे movies लगाओ, maybe start cooking together, maybe doing some or the other things, maybe household chores ही घर में साथ में मिलके करो, वो भी बहुत enjoyable होगा. Engage in stress reduction activities like yoga, like meditation, like playing indoor games. You can play indoor games. Do not go beyond CDC guidelines. अपने आप को पूरा सैनिटाइज करके घर में घुसने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, दे से अगर इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट से अगर आपको कोविड होना है तो देयर इट हैज टू बी, अगर किसी कोविड इन्फेक्टेड पेशेंट ने उस पे स्नीज किया या कॉफ किया है एंड दैट टू विद इन 2 to 3 आवर्स, यदि आप उसको टच करते हो एंड देन यू टच योर फेस, मतलब उसकी चांसेस कितने कम है, देन यू कैन गेट इन्फेक्टेड.
yes, ma'am.
राइट, सो डू नॉट गो ओवरबोर्ड कि अपने हैंड्स कंटिन्यूअसली वॉश करते रहना, ऐसा नहीं है. यू शुड बी वेरी रीजनेबल इन दीज एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो. राइट, क्योंकि हम जितना ज्यादा उसमें एंगेज होंगे उतनी हमारी एंजाइटी बढ़ती जाएगी. नेक्स्ट इज प्रिजर्व सम सेंस ऑफ नॉर्मलसी. लाइक नॉर्मलसी एज इन जो आपके रूटीन नॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज होते हैं उनको सबको बंद मत करो. अपने नॉर्मल जो प्रोफेशनल चीजें हैं, या फिर अगर आप कोई गेम्स देखना पसंद करते हो या आप कोई मूवीज देखना पसंद करते हो, सब चीजें बंद नहीं करनी है. यू जस्ट कीप ऑन फॉलोइंग, यू जस्ट keep on maintaining your daily routine. It's very important. Be kind to yourself and others. There are so many people who actually, I really feel so sad about, who are actually taking it as an opportunity to give away very fake drugs and all that. I would really suggest कि take care of yourself and others too. ये situation है, we all need compassion as a humanity. We all need to be together as a humanity. And then if you're not okay, अगर आप नहीं cope up कर पा रहे हो, there is no harm in taking professional help. It's very important. You can do some physical exercise, keep a journal, as I said earlier also. Talk to people, give yourself permission to feel bad. It is okay to feel bad. You should take plenty of rests, should maintain your routine, जो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. ठीक है, so this is all what I want to say in the end. And this is for the general. Then second is for the what symptoms you should look out for. If you're constantly anxious, if you're trembling, if you're having sweating from hands, if you're having palpitations, if you're not able to sleep properly, okay, if you're having any stomach issues और भूख नहीं लग रही है, यदि काम में मन नहीं लग रहा है, यदि आपके सब्सटेंस से, यस, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि कोई भी नशे से बच के रहना है आपने, वो आपको फिजिकली एज वेल एज मेंटली वीक करेगा, राइट? अगर ये सब चीजें होती है, देन यू शुड रियली टेक अ प्रोफेशनल हेल्प इफ इट इज कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, so this is how I would like to end, and I'm welcome to questions.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, moving ahead, we have few queries in our chat box. So, few you have already answered in your general. So, I think Navneet Kumar ji, आपका answer जो आपने पूछा था WhatsApp queries and all, I think that has been answered very well by the ma'am. And ma'am, there is one more query from Chaitanya Kishore ji, and he's telling that he has lost his grandmother few days. She was hospitalized and she was passed away on 25th April. The doctor said that she is no more, and all of people started behaving strangely in the hospital, and nobody was touching her because she was COVID. She died because of that. And due to lack of people at home, they had to do all those things, but I had never done this before. And now I can't accept that I have burned her, like he has done all the last ritual for her. So we don't know how to get rid of those thoughts, ma'am. So whenever he closes his eyes, everything just flash in front of him. And then he has to prepare for his studies also. So how he can cope up with that stress?
Yes, Chaitanya, I'm really sorry for your loss. Now that this has happened, we should really accept it that this has happened. And now next is maintain routine. Okay, these thoughts will come, but eventually they will decrease. Do not fight these thoughts. Okay, as I've said earlier also, please do not fight these thoughts. Let them come. Maintain a journal, maintain a routine, and try to sit with your studies. जो आपके routine class timings होते हैं, just try to make a dedicated space in your home, and then try to अपने put on your college clothes or work clothes, and then just sit down there. थोड़ा सा उस फॉर्म में आने में it will take time. It is not easy. ठीक है, thoughts will come, thoughts will go, but eventually it will pass. So हमारा माइंड भी, हमारी बॉडी जिस तरह से हमारे खाने को पूरा प्रोसेस करती है, वैसे हमारा मन भी सब चीजों को प्रोसेस करता है, इवेंट्स को प्रोसेस करता है. उसको प्रोसेस करने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट यस, इवेंचुअली इट विल हैपन.
Hope your queries answered well by ma'am. And if there are any further queries, you can connect to us on our WhatsApp. Actually, it's a Hard Time Friend WhatsApp helpline, and number has been there in the chat box as well. It's 8588002270. So for any further more queries, you can connect with us over here. So thank you so much. Yes, ma'am?
Lastly, I would really like to say one thing. A very famous person, Nish, said that he who has a why to live can actually bear almost anyhow. मतलब उसको हिंदी में यदि मैं ट्रांसलेट करती हूँ कि हमें जीने के लिए एक ही क्यों चाहिए, कि हमें जिंदगी क्यों जीनी है, वो एक ही क्यों चाहिए, वो क्यों हमको ढूंढना है इस पैंडेमिक में कि हमें हमारी जिंदगी में वो क्या, वो क्यों है। मतलब किसी के लिए वो बच्चे हो सकते हैं, किसी के लिए वो प्रोफेशन हो सकता है, किसी के लिए कुछ फैमिली हो सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट वो एक क्यों हमको ढूंढना है, एंड वी हैव टू होल्ड ऑन टू इट कि यस दिस टू शैल पास। बहुत बड़ी बड़ी आपदाएं भी गई हैं, ये भी चला जाए, राइट? दैट इज हाउ आई वांट टू एंड।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing on this positive note. I really want to thank you for sharing so much knowledge and so much of thought on this topic, which is really right now we all need. Knowingly, unknowingly, we all are going through it. So thank you so much, ma'am, and for joining us. And I would really like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you sincere people who have patiently listened to ma'am and given your time. And thank you for joining. Without everyone commitment, this event does not have made it success. And it has not been possible without your support of each and everyone you who are present here. So in the end, I will just like to say, stay home, stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us.